Housing repairs and maintenance, providing guidance for council tenants across Hinckley and Bosworth. Let's hand over to Dan in the in-house team to show you how to replace your 2D bathroom light.
If you have a bathroom fitting like this and you discover that it's not working, you will first need to remove the cover using a Phillips screwdriver, and you will need to undo the 3 fixing screws like this. You may also have a bathroom fitting that looks like this but no screws, in which case you'll need a flat-headed screwdriver, and you will need to simply put the screwdriver under the lid and pop it off like this. Upon removal of the lid, you will notice that there is a 2D style lamp located inside this fitting, which simply pulls off like this. Please note that when you take this to your local hardware store to purchase a new one, there is a 4-pin and a 2-pin type of these lamps, and it is very important that you get the correct version of this lamp in order for it to work.
For more information and to report repairs online, go to hinkley-bosworth.gov.uk/myhousing.